Concrete, the seemingly risk-free substance beneath our feet and towering above our cities, holds a dark secret. From the harmless sidewalks to the impressive skyscrapers, concrete is everywhere, yet its production leaves an indelible mark on our environment. In the revered pages of the Carbon Almanac, a surprising fact emerges: concrete stands as one of the four horsemen of the carbon apocalypse, wreaking havoc on our planet alongside coal, combustion, and cows. In the accounts of environmental calculations, concrete rarely takes center stage. Being everywhere has masked its environmental impact, reducing it to the shadows while we focus on more visible offenders. But the truth is stark: concrete production exacts a heavy toll on our planet. From resource depletion to carbon emissions, its footprint extends far beyond its solid appearance. Unveiling the environmental peril, concrete, composed of cement, water, and aggregates, is the cornerstone of modern construction. However, its production process is far from harmless. Cement, the primary ingredient, accounts for a significant portion of concrete's environmental impact. Its manufacturing involves heating limestone, releasing vast quantities of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, making cement production one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. The Carbon Almanac's revelation, as clearly explained in the Carbon Almanac, concrete stands as one of the four horsemen of the carbon apocalypse. Its inclusion alongside coal, combustion, and cows underscores the severity of its environmental consequences. Yet, amidst this frightful fact, a glimmer of hope emerges. The potential for reduction lies within our grasp. Preserving the future, the solution to mitigating concrete's environmental impact lies not in stopping its use, but in adopting sustainable practices. Enter the concept of preserving concrete structures with long-term green coatings and casement. This seemingly simple practice holds immense promise in curbing the overproduction of concrete and safeguarding our natural resources. The power of green coatings. The right green coatings offer a transformative approach to concrete preservation. By encasing structures in environmentally friendly coatings, we not only extend their lifespan but also minimize the need for constant reconstruction and consequently the excessive production of concrete. Moreover, these specific green coatings serve as a barrier, protecting concrete from deterioration caused by environmental factors, thereby reducing the demand for new concrete. A greener future. Embracing the practice of preserving concrete with the right green coatings heralds a paradigm shift in our approach to construction. It signifies a departure from the wasteful practices of the past towards a more sustainable future. By reducing the consumption of concrete, we alleviate the strain on our natural resources and diminish the burden on landfills, paving the way for a greener, more resilient environment. To sum it up, concrete, often overlooked, emerges as a significant contributor to environmental breakdown. As revealed in the Carbon Almanac, it stands alongside coal, combustion, and cows as one of the four horsemen of the carbon apocalypse. Cement production, a key ingredient in concrete, releases vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Concrete's status as one of the four horsemen of the carbon apocalypse necessitates urgent action. Through the adoption of sustainable practices such as preserving concrete with the right green coatings and casement, we can reduce its environmental impact and steer towards a more sustainable future. Let us heed the urgent call of the Carbon Almanac and start on a journey towards environmental stewardship, one concrete structure at a time. You may like this quote from Seth Godin. One by one, as individuals build these webs of connection and trust, the guys on top have way less power than they used to. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening and see you on my next episode.